watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello, crafty friends. It's Hallie with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm bringing you a new Cricut mystery box. Now, this mystery box is called Dive In Mystery Box, and we really do want to dive in because we have a new cutie color. I know, it's been a long time. We've all been waiting, but in this mystery box, we finally get a new cutie friend. So, first things first, we are gonna dive right into this cutie and see what color he is. I know his name, but I have not seen him. He is a very soft, buttery yellow because his name is Butter. Just to put him next to another what I consider soft yellow, this is our French Vanilla Cutie, which he does have a soft yellow kind of to him. And then this is the new Butter one. So the Butter one is definitely much more yellow. It's even more yellow. It's a little deeper yellow than you see on here. I mean, literally like the color of good, the good butter. Like that Kerrygold butter in my eyes. Now here's a side-by-side with the French Vanilla, the Butter, and the True Yellow. One thing to note difference in the Butter and the True Yellow is the finish. As you can see, the True Yellow is shiny and the Butter one is going to be matte. The True Yellow is going to be a brighter yellow than the Butter. The Butter really is a softer yellow to that. Now there is another yellow cutie, the Sunflower Cutie, but I didn't have that one unfortunately. But that one it's going to be shiny like the True Yellow. And it's also a deeper yellow, almost like an orange undertone to that yellow. So, because we get our cutie, the box is Access members only, but there are links below not only to purchase this box, but to go ahead and join Access if you're not, which there's so many reasons to join Access. But you can go ahead and check out the memberships there. And because we have the new cutie in the box, they tend to go really, really fast. So if you want to, go ahead, purchase the box, come back, and I'll show you the rest, what's in it. I know people have been waiting for a cutie too. I think it was I'm not sure, but I think January was the last new cutie. Next up in the box is something we all have, and we could all always use more of. So we are getting 2 of the standard grip Cricut mats, and these are going to be in the 12 by 12 inch size. I'm always happy to get new mats. And look how pretty all these colors are together. So we are getting Cricut Premium Vinyl in the removable mat, and we have 3 colors of blue here, which I see why it's called Dive In, because it totally reminds me of like ocean or pool water. I wish I had a pool, but it reminds me of ocean, or in my case, Lake Michigan. But we have 3 colors. We have navy blue, turquoise, and then one of my favorite colors, teal. This is like the color on my Jeep. So you have 3 rolls of that premium vinyl. And to go with the ocean, we have, I'd say these are like sunset colors. So we're getting a 12 inch by 48 inch removable vinyl in wine, coral, and then this bright yellow color. So it's like you have the ocean and you have the sunset. And we are getting the everyday sampler of the Cricut removable vinyl. But let's go ahead, I'll show you what all colors come in there. So in this, you're gonna get a 12 by 12 inch sheet of black, white, if I can get it, gold, silver, coffee, and then what goes with coffee? Then what goes with coffee? Cream. So you have a 12 by 12 inch sheet of each of these colors in premium removable vinyl. Which that is a lot of vinyl. So we have a lot of vinyl in this box. We got like sunset colors, ocean colors, and then with this we get all the neutrals and then the metallics also. So if you are a vinyl lover, you will love this box. And now with all that vinyl, we need something else, right? Because that is a lot of vinyl, we need a lot of transfer tape. So we are getting a bunch of transfer tape. 12 inch by 21 feet long of the Cricut transfer tape to go ahead and transfer all of that vinyl. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Dive In Mystery Box. Now the price of the Cricut Mystery Box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but it's never that because you do get your access discount always on each of your purchases on Cricut. So you save on the mystery box every time you purchase. And the MSRP on this is $133.97, I think it was, US. So, I mean, if the box was only $100, that would be 50% savings. And I don't know what that is exactly, but it's like 60 to 70. I'm gonna get those numbers up and figure them out and put them right here. And that's definitely cheaper than like any 50% off sale that you're going to get. So go ahead, links are below to order. We greatly appreciate when you use those links to order. And we greatly appreciate you guys just watching our video, giving us the thumbs up, and commenting below. And for all my Cricut Cutie collectors, let me know if you got this. I'm always, when a new one comes out, I'm always like, ooh, how long is this one gonna last? And we never know how many of them there are either. Some are gone in like 20 minutes. And we just finished a big giveaway, a $300 Cricut prize bundle giveaway, which went to our member, Mary Nocera. So congratulations, Mary, on winning that. Now we have our July crafting challenge going on. I'll go ahead and put the link below to that. And one member is going to win $50 to spend at Cricut.com. And we're going to start another giveaway soon also. So make sure you're checking our groups. Cricut Design Space group on Facebook. We will always go ahead and put in featured when we have any contests or giveaways going on. And special discount codes too. Because we always want to save. That is important. Especially in this economy. So thank you guys so much for watching. We greatly appreciate it. So until next time, crafty friends, have a wonderful week filled with lots of happy crafting. And we will see you guys next time. Bye guys. Toodles.